Steve Wolbach, your friendly public adjuster. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about dishwashers. Yeah, dishwashers. You probably haven't given much thought to them lately, but dishwashers account for quite a bit of damage over the course of a year. This is something that you have different hoses, right? There's water lines that run to the dishwasher, obviously, for it to operate properly, and there's a hose that leads or leaves the dishwasher unit, which is taking the wastewater, the dirty water, and sending that down to be collected to go outside to your sewer system with the public water area. So that there's two different opportunities, not to mention the unit itself has different seals and gaskets and things in there of while it's handling the water itself. So there's a situation where there are several times that you have a condition that you can get water leaks. And a lot of times these things happen in the very back of the unit. And what happens is the water runs down the back, and then if you have a special floor, the water will come down underneath. Boy, that's hard to do, isn't it? And will cause a situation where you've now got water damage and it is starting to lift up. If it was a hardwood floor, the boards themselves can start to take the water on. They'll swell, they will twist. They certainly aren't going to fit together the way they normally would have if they were in a dry condition. And there you'll get some movement. Eventually the water does work its way out in front of the dishwasher, but that could happen over a period of time that would have already caused considerable damage to you. So this is something that we try to talk to people about. Let's get this addressed as soon as we notice something, or perhaps what I would actually recommend is periodically run a check and see, is there any water? Let's do an inspection. Let's do what we call preventative maintenance by looking at the unit and inspecting for any water leaks. Let's catch it now before it does get worse. There's where, as a public adjuster comes in, I can help you out. If you have base cabinets that have gotten damaged, they need to come out. They need to be replaced. Doesn't matter that the front door is fine. What matters is the cabinet itself is falling apart. It's warped. It's swelling up because it's taking on the water. So there's where we can come in, represent you, and help you to file a claim to make sure that all the damage that had taken place will be accounted for. Guys, I hope that makes some sense to you. I hope that you'll pass this on. If you liked what you heard, give me one of these. If you didn't like it so much, give me one of those. Please share it. Subscribe to my page. I really appreciate that. And let's move forward for the next one. Thank you very much for listening, and God bless you.